Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can start your LLC in Texas using LegalZoom. Now, it's a platform that makes the process fast, easy, and stress-free. Whether you're starting a side hustle, launching a full-time business, or protecting your existing venture, forming an LLC in Texas has some incredible benefits like personal protection asset and no stave income. We'll break down everything step by step from forming the basic LLC to filing your paperwork with LegalZoom. And I'll share some tips to get it done smoothly. Ready to take the first step? Let's dive right in. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, first things first, what is an LLC? Now, an LLC or limited liability company is a business structure that combines the flexibility of a sole proprietor with legal protections of a corporation. Now, here's why starting an LLC is a great idea. You have limited liability. Your personal assets like your home and savings are protected if your business faces debts or losses. You also have tax benefits. LLC offers flexible taxation options. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. And lastly, I suggest the professionalism. Having an LLC makes your business look more credible to customers and investors. And in Texas, there are additional advantages. You have your business-friendly environment. Texas has a no state income tax and a strong economy, making it ideal for entrepreneurs. You also have affordable formation fees. Setting up an LLC in Texas is straightforward and cost-effective. And so, why should we choose LegalZoom to form our LLC? LegalZoom is a trusted online platform that helps business owners handle all the paperwork involved in starting an LLC. Here's what makes LegalZoom a great option. We have user-friendly. Their step-by-step process make it super simple, even if you're not familiar with legal terms. Now, it saves time. No need to file forms yourself. LegalZoom handles all the paperwork and filings for you. We also have the customizable packages. From basic filing to premium option, LegalZoom has the plans and that fit every budget. And lastly, we have ongoing support. They offer registered agent services, legal consultation, and tools to help you manage your business after setup. It's like having a team of experts to handle the tough parts while you focus on the running your business part. And so let's go ahead and navigate on how we can start our LLC on Texas with LegalZoom. Now you simply want to navigate through the website, which is legalzoom.com, and from here you will then be taken to this page. Now you simply want to find this option right here, which is the business formation. We also have some options like wills and trust, and lastly we have the intellectual property. Now you simply want to click on the business formation, and from here we can then go ahead and see the option for LLC, the simplest way of structuring your business to protect personal assets. So you simply want to go ahead and click on the start my LLC right here from $0. From here we have different options like $0, $250, and lastly $300. With $0, we can go ahead and get articles of organization, the document needed to officially register our LLC with the state, name check service to confirm that your preferred business name is available, and with Pro we all have these benefits right here like operating agreement, which helps you set entity guidelines and settle disputes. You also have EIN, which is used to file taxes, open bank accounts, and bill your staff. You all have these tools right here or features. You can just navigate through LegalZoom business and the LLC overview to navigate through all of the prices right here. Now, as an example, since this is a tutorial, let's just navigate through the basic LLC right here, which is $0, which is free. So you can just go ahead and navigate through the button called Form My LLC. Right after that, we can now go ahead and enter the necessary information in order to fill out our LLC. And here, the first question is going to be what's the name of your business. So you can just go ahead and input the name of your business right here. In my case, I'll just go ahead and put this example. You can also click skip and decide later if you want to. Now, there's no need to add LLC. If you're still thinking, you can go ahead and skip later once again. From here, we have our state. Of course, you want to go ahead and select Texas. And right after, it will then go ahead and ask you for the primary contact. Give us a way to reach out to you about the order or special offers. We'll never sell you sensitive data or share it with others. Now, in my case, due to security reasons, I'll just go ahead and skip this process right here. So I'll click on next. And right after that, we now have the industry for our business. Now, this is my business name and what does it do? Basically, I want to go ahead and put something like aesthetics right here. So you can just go ahead and click on next. But of course, you can just go ahead and choose any type of industry you want to. From here, it will then go ahead and tell us this page right here. Let's keep your LLC compliant to avoid setbacks. We have the compliant filings. Most business must file annual reports and other ongoing reports with the government. And from here, we have essential documents. Legal entities often require operating agreements like EINs for taxes and banking and formal contracts. So you can just go ahead and click on next. And lastly, we have this button right here. We can go ahead and select plan if you want to, but once again, I'll just go ahead and use the free plan right here. So I'll click on the no thanks button. It will now go ahead and set us our document. From here, you can go ahead and choose between the operating agreement plus, and lastly, the operating agreement EIN forms and e-sign. This will basically go ahead and save time and money on essential documents by handing them the necessary documents and doing everything from there. Now, in my case, I'll just go ahead and click on no thanks right here. I'm going to be skipping everything, but if you want to go ahead and make things easier for your business, you can just go ahead and avail one of those plans right there. From here, we have the separate your personal and business finances with Business Bank Online. Once again, I'm going to skip that. And from here, we then have the enhancement for your order. We have the founder's kit and we have the 1-day expedited process. Now, if you're on a rush, you want to go ahead and select the $99, which is 1-day expedited processing. But if you're willing to wait at a free cost, you can just go ahead and select the 524 thin phase. Now from here, we have businesses face many formalities after forming. Keep your LLC organized with all vital documents printed and in one place. Now, what does the founder kit include? You can just go ahead and click on this button, and from here it includes all of these things, which is binder with your business name, formation documents printed on archival paper, articles of organization, and more. Now, to proceed, you simply want to click on next. And now all we have to do is to go ahead and wait for our LLC to be ready. And right after that, we can now go ahead and review our total order for our LLC right here. Now, since we have chosen the basic package, it is completely free, $0, and our summary is going to be $0. But unfortunately, we have to go ahead and pay state fees in order to complete these filings. Filing fees includes required state fees for your formation, filing, state, expedited service, and other fees if applicable. Now, this can go ahead and change depending on your state that you are registering your LLC from. Now, in our case, it is going to be Texas, and it is expensive. It is going to be $301. But for other state, it can range for up to $50, $100, and more. And in our case, it's going to be $300. Now, you simply want to click on continue to check out, and from here just go ahead and confirm your order, answer the necessary payment method, and from there they will send all the details for the primary contact that you have answered on the previous questions. And so if this video has been helpful, please consider us with a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.